I've no idea why I bought... So this is a monster book of monsters, apparently. It's from Harry Potter. It's made by... It's making some noises. It must have batteries in. It's made by Tomy in 2010. And it was sold as faulty, and the fault is that it doesn't open. And sure enough, I have no idea how to get into this thing. But I guess that's the point as well. It's making a lot of weird noises. So I think I better go and Google how to open this thing. Because it's possible that... Yeah. Right, apparently you have to run your finger down the spine 4 times from top to bottom. Which is just bizarre. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that's supposed to make it open. But it definitely isn't open. Right. Now what do I do? Well, I can see a screw on the battery compartment, so let's undo that. Ugh, easier said than done. And I think it's like rusted shut. That's not a good start, is it? Let's try a bigger screwdriver. Don't know why I'm speaking so gruff. There we go. It's a bit furry. Literally, in more ways than one. Ah, there we go. Yeah, it's a little bit rusty, I think, there. I'm not sure whether that will have anything to do with it. Ah, there's a reset button. Let's press the reset button. Can't be as simple as that, surely. Right, well, I've pressed it. Let's try the old 4-stroke thing again. Nope, still not opening. I've got no idea what to do. Can't feel any screw holes.
Let's swish and flick to get this book back to life. Alahomora with a wand, not a knife. Expecto Patronum, whatever that means. I've not seen Harry Potter or his Bertie Bott beans. Jenny Till Walks is a patron, not a spell. Changes every week to make my life hell. Big thanks to Infinity for all the support. Let's stack some other muggles and keep this short. Jonathan Wicks, Fred Chauvier, Nid Huega, Andrea Facio, the original Western Sons, Jamrad, Adam Taylor, Tidder, Inflim, Flux, Jonathan Harden, A1 Bass and Pappy Wappy, Daft Willie, Toxic Shannon, make me happy. On your marks, our remarks, get set go. Markovitz 19, deep in my flow. Ron's Vintage Electronics, go check him out. He's got a YouTube page, he knows what it's about. Darren Callie, Emma Timman, Oz, Newton, Varoki, Nick Adams, Ellis, Garbett, Ben, Rush on Wan Jockey. It's almost time to Expelliarmus this mic. Just Emilio Herrera left. Wait, someone cast the Obliviate spell? I forgot someone, yo. He's the one, he's the only. Monkey Joe Tokyo. Peace.
Ooh. Aha! Yeah, this is... I don't think this is meant to be serviceable. There's no screws in it, but it is all just glued together. I can see some bits inside here. That actually looks like a belt there. I could have got lucky and opened it in the right place. I don't even know if you can see that inside there. But it does look like there's a belt. So, I wonder if the motor is working. Let's see if I can... I don't know, I'm going to film this. Let's stroke it again. Right, well, nothing's moving inside there. Right, I think that's the right noise to suggest that it's opening, but it still isn't opening. I don't want to break all of this if I can help it. I should probably take the batteries out. It just made a noise then, as I manually tried to turn the belt. It's definitely making noises. Oh! Oh, I get excited then. Why am I getting excited? Oh! Yeah! It worked! There's nothing in it. I thought it'd be like, I don't know, £100 in there or something. That's rubbish. Right, so for anyone else who's got one of these and it doesn't open, I just struck lucky there. I was trying to prise it apart and I happened to pull off this corner, and there is a belt mechanism inside here, which you can't really see, inside there. And all I did, I need 3 hands for this. Yeah, basically that belt inside there, all I did is I manually turned it after trying to open it. So I did the combination, the 4 strokes on the spine, whatever it is, and then I just ran my tweezers. This is pointless, I can't show you, but basically I ran my tweezers across the belt in time with trying to open it, and it opened. But I don't know whether that's actually fixed it or whether I've just been able to get in it. Let's try closing it again. Right, so it isn't closing now. Do you have to do something special to close it? Right, I'm going to try turning the belt the opposite way to the way that I just turned it. So now I'm going anti-clockwise. Yes, and that's locked it. Right, so anti-clockwise locks it, clockwise unlocks it. So why isn't that belt working? Well, let's see if I can get into it again. Aha! Motor turned that time, did you hear that? Let's try closing it, see if it turns. Yes! Oh, I've only gone and fixed it. I don't know how. One more time for good luck. Oh, yes. Right, so I think the mechanism had just jammed, and by rotating it several times with the tweezers, I managed to get it to go again. Just going to use some super glue. I need to put something heavy on top of that. This book's pretty heavy. Right, that ought to do it. And there we go. One of my most accomplished fixes. I'm sure you'll agree. Does anybody want a monster book of monsters? Because I don't want this. Seriously. Put it in the comments. You can have it. First person to put, yes, Steve, send me the book, or else, and I'll send it to you. Stupid book.